Okay, so what you do is you take your bottle, make sure na yung labels niya wala na completely kasi yung adhesive sa label tatama dito sa wood at mahihirapan kayong i-turn siya. So, place your bottle on the cutter like this and make sure na yung bottle will touch the stop block and then this fence. Important yun para constant yung line nyo. And just apply pressure. What I'm doing is tinatama ko siya sa tiyan ko dito sa may dibdib para hindi siya gumalaw, but you can clamp this down. So let's start. Apply pressure like that papunta dito pag ganon, and then slowly turn towards yourself. You turn it towards yourself para makita nyo yung linya. So let's start. Okay, as you can hear, meron siyang creaking sound. Yun yung sound ng glass cutter scratching the surface of the bottle. That's what you want to hear. Okay, kailangan yung marinig yun. That's how you know that the line is being scored on the bottle itself. And then keep your eye on the bottle, making sure na tumatama siya dun sa fence, sa stop block, and keep turning. And then it's important that you only turn it once, one revolution, ha? Hindi na yun, hindi siya dapat ulitin. Why? Apparently bottles or glass behaves that way. Kapag inulit nyo tapos itry nyo putulin, magiging jagged yung edges nya. So I'm not sure how or why glass behaves that way, but apparently it does like that. And as you can see, meron na siyang clean score line. Wipe natin ng konti. Okay, there's a clean score line all around the bottle, and that's what you want. Now, that's part 1 of the cut. Part 2 is you need to complete the cut. Okay? Okay guys, this is part 2 ng bottle cutting natin. What I'm preparing right now is 2 batches of water. Yung isa is boiling, nakikita nyo. And the other one, yung may tabo, that's ice water. May mga ice dyan sa loob. That's going to serve as shocker. Ang glass kasi kailangan mong i-shock para mag-crack. So, let's start. Alright, so ito yung bote natin, yung kinat natin kanina. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dip it dun sa boiling water and then dip it sa ice water. Paulit-ulit lang. Right? So, let's go. Turn down ko muna yung heat kasi masakit. Always wear gloves guys ha, kasi mainit to. So, dip it. About 10 to 20 seconds would do. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then bilisan nyo lang. Okay. So sa unang try nyo, expect nyo na wala kayong makikitang resulta, no? Kasi paulit-ulit mong gagawin yan. However, if I examine it a bit, looks like may konting separation na dun sa glass bottle. Hindi nyo makikita sa video kasi low resolution lang yung video ko. Pero yeah, may nakikita na akong konting crack. So again, okay. So gagawin nyo lang guys is paulit-ulit. Okay? Make sure that your water is really boiling para yung variation ng temperature or yung difference in temperature between the hot and the cold is so dramatic na masyashock yung bote nyo. Okay? Kahit naman sino, kahit ilublob nyo sa tubig tsaka lagay nyo sa malamig, masyashock din. Okay. Again. Okay. Ayun, there you go. So, yun, on the second try, naging successful yung bottle cutting natin. Yung makikita nyo, ayan. Patay na muna natin yung stove, ha? Sayang sa gasol, mahal ang gasolina ngayon. So, there. Let's see kung... Okay, so... mainit pa. So, there. Ang ganda ng pagkakaputo niya. Tingnan natin yung isa. Yung other half. Ooh, nice. Kanina, tinry ko to. It took me 3 to 4 times So right now I'm successful, and as you can see, there it is. Bottle cutting. Easy lang siya. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy as well. A little note though, pagkaputol ng bottle, huwag niyo muna ulit i-dip sa malamig na tubig kasi mainit pa yung bote. Baka mag-crack siya in places na you don't like and masasayang lang yung trabaho nyo. But yeah, this is good. Ito, ayun, may crack din yung isa. Sayang to. Ashtray sana. Pero yeah, may crack to. And may crack din yung isa dito. Okay, the other one that I made, wala siyang crack eh. Mukhang masyadong na-shock naman to. But this one is good. I can use this. Usable siya. And yung last part nito is sanding. That's gonna come up. Guys, this is the second bottle. Let's do it again. Turn down. One. Again, 10 to 20 seconds. I-twist nyo lang para yung heat will permeate all around the crack of the bottle. And hopefully maganda rin ito. Okay. Okay, wala pang masyado. Nakikita na akong crack pero wala pang masyado dun all around, so we're gonna do it all over again. And so twist nyo naman ganyan, medyo mainit, so turn down the heat. Not so much. Okay. Hindi ko na binibilangan, tinatansya ko na lang compared to kanina. And then okay, may narinig na akong nag-crack. Wala pa. Okay, crack all around pero hindi maganda yung crack nito. I have a feeling na hindi maganda yung resulta nito. So, let's do it again. Ayun. Okay, this time nahulog naman siya doon sa boiling water. Hindi ko na kukunin ha, pero ayan. Yep, tama ako. Hindi maganda yung resulta niya. Kung makikita nyo. It might be an uneven score line. I'm not sure. Pero tingnan ko kung magagawa pa to, ha? And then, okay.
Aba, at ikaw ay nasa camera. Aba,
Okay. Yun, si mama yun.
naglagay.
And then, ulit.
Gaganda na kulay ng baso, ng tabo, matingkad na green niya. Kaya sinawsal na uli sa kasirula.
Si mama yun.
Gaganda na kulay niya. Yun, nilagay uli daw sa tabo.
The bottle cutting procedure is sanding the bottle. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung bote kanina na hindi ganun kaganda ang sand, ang pagputol. Merong protrusion dyan. Unahin natin to kasi masasand natin yan. So all you need is sandpaper. Ito is 120 grit kung makikita nyo. But you can use 150 or 100. Kung meron kayong 100, mas maganda. Mas madali siyang ma-abrase. Ito naman is may tabo tayo na may tubig. Of course, we're gonna do wet sanding. You never dry sand kasi the bottle can get into your eyes. Magpa-powderize kasi yan as you sand the bottle. So let's start. What you do is you dip it in the water. Basahin pa natin ng konti. Yan. Okay. So basang-basa dapat para ma-capture niya yung powderized glass. And let's start with this part right here. Circular. Always in a circular motion. Okay. Now prepare to spend much time on sanding kasi yun yung pinakamatagal talaga. Glass bottles or glass in general are very stubborn. hindi siya basta-basta nasasand. Hindi nyo makikita yung resulta. Unlike with wood na madaling isand, glass is not that easy. So, ikot ka lang ng ikot ng ganyan hanggang sa mawala yung protrusion na yon. Prepare to spend as much as 30 to 45 minutes in sanding. Kasi, again, hindi siya ganun kadaling isand. So, makikita nyo, nagpa-flatten na siya ng konti. Konti pa lang. So, meron pa tayong isang protrusion dyan. Now, I'm not gonna finish this video kasi matatagalan siya masyado. We're gonna probably spend 30 to 45 minutes with this glass right here bago ko makita yung results na gusto ko. Okay? But, if you wanna see the results, just give me a few seconds. Okay, so ito na yung glass bottle na isa sa mga nauna kong nagawa. Nasand ko na yan matagal na. So, if you can see, yung edges niya okay na. Okay? So, hindi na siya sharp. Pati itong edges na to, hindi na siya sharp. When you're sanding, always check. Iwa-wipe nyo siya and then you check kung maganda yung pagkakasan or until you're satisfied. Now, another part is itong piece na to, let's just dip it in water. Siya naman yung gagamitin mong pang sand sa loob. Ganyan. Or dito sa labas. Pwede rin. Okay, all around. Again, matagal na proseso po ito. So, we're not gonna finish the video. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you how I do the sanding. But, yeah. A majority of the bottle cutting procedure, you're gonna spend that in sanding the finished product. But when you're sanding, palaging circular motion para pantay-pantay siya. Okay? So there, again, we're not going to be spending that much time in sanding kasi matatagalan yung video. But you get the idea. If you want, you can progress from 120 pataas ng pataas hanggang sa umabot siya ng 1,000. Kayo nang bahala doon. Ito naman, gagawin kong drop light to. So, hindi ko siya iinuman. Okay lang sa akin yung ganito ka smooth na surface. Hindi siya mapapansin pag nasa taas na ng bahay. And there you go. It's as simple as that. If you have more questions, please feel free to message me or post any questions in this thread. I'd be more than happy to help. Okay, so ito na yung mga pinutol nating bote kanina. As you can see, clean cut siya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and yung last one, yung 5, hindi ko na in-include yung bottom part kasi nasira siya talaga. Ito yung hindi maganda yung cut kanina. Makikita nyo dyan, no? Ayan, meron siyang edge dito na nakaprotrude. Ayan, focus natin. Ayan, kita nyo yan. So, may nakaprotrude siya na edge dyan. Yan yung isa sa mga ma-expect nyo. Actually, dalawa. Yun pa yung isa. Oh. So, isa yan sa mga i-expect nyo when you're cutting bottles kasi hindi siya perfect procedure. So, expect that there are failures along the way. However, if I look at the results, that's 5 out of 5 bottles. So, if you're gonna do the math, that's 100% success rate. Next is, well, kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto nyong gawin. The jig, yung bottle cutter is adjustable. Kayo na lang mag-adjust kung saang parte ng bote gusto niyang putulin. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results here. Happier than the results that I had last week. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me or post in this thread. And I'm always happy to help.